This problem from probability distribution of one variable or one-dimensional probability distribution, and this is also from Calcutta University paper 2022 CC11, and the problem is the probability density function is fx given by x when 0 less x less 1, 2 minus x when 1 less equal to x less 2, and 0 elsewhere. Then the value of the probability p of half less than x less than 3 by 2 is given by this. And we know that the formula probability of a less x less b, this is given by integration a to b fx dx, where fx be the pdf, that is probability density function of the random variable x. Obviously it is continuous, and this is summation fx. If fx is pmf, probability mass function, if x is discrete, right? Now here this is given by the continuous probability distribution, and x is the continuous variable, and we have to find probability of half less than x less than 3 by 2. So this is integration half to 3 by 2, this is fx dx, and now we split the range of integration from half to 1, this is fx, plus integration 1 to 3 by 2, this is also fx dx, and here fx half to 1 fx, this means x, so we put here x, and in the range 1 to 3 by 2, this is 2 minus x, so we put here 2 minus x. Now integrating we get this is x square by 2, and the range are half to 1, this is 2x minus x square by 2, and the range is 1 to 3 by 2. So this is half into 1 minus 1 by 4, plus this is 2 into 3 by 2 minus 1, minus half into 9 by 4 minus 1. Okay, so the result is half into 3 by 4 plus 2 into half minus half into 5 by 4, because 9 minus 4 by 4, this is 5 by 4, so the answer is 3 by 8 plus 1 minus this is 5 by 8, so 1 minus this is 2 by 8, so this is 1 minus 1 by 4, that is 3 by 4, and the correct option is option number 4. Okay, very simple, and the last option, that is the option number 4, is the correct answer. Okay, thank you for watching.